10 days of easy Asian recipes. Let's make spaghetti chicken stir fry. 1 tablespoon of seasoning sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of water. Combine and mix well. Set this aside, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook your spaghetti noodles for 10 minutes until al dente. Let's marinate our chicken and use 1 pound of chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Marinate well, cover with plastic wrap, refrigerate until use. Once your spaghetti noodles done, drain it and run it over cold water to stop the cooking process. On high heat, add oil to pan. Next, add in your ginger and garlic. In goes the chicken thighs. Give it a stir, then cook it for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in your cabbage, green onion, and your spaghetti noodles. Give it a stir and combine everything in well. Lastly, add in your sauce, give it another stir, then turn off the heat and dinner is served. Wow. Blessings. Follow for more.